Hi guys, you're at Noose level crossing in West Midlands with Ruscovern. Well, I was just in the middle of doing my intro, just about to finish off my intro there. Anyways, the time is 15:24 on Thursday, the 28th of December 2017. And this is for your 15:17, expected 29, 1 Mike 46 cross-country service from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. And possibly for your 15:30, 9 Sierra 77 Virgin train service from Birmingham New Street to Glasgow Central. I'm probably going to have to have another go at the intro now. Or I'll probably just upload the standard intro. I'll probably just cut that bit off, because what I said after I said the ECS movement wasn't really needed anyway. There it is now. Well, it might be only this train actually. Wait, hang on, is this the... Oh no, it's the Glasgow service. Anyways. Two to 115. Two to 115 to 221 108 to Glasgow Central.